Welcome to FTx Academy. I'm Michael, your onboarding guide. During this process, I will assist you in setting up your point of sale system and ensuring that your operations run smoothly. Before we finish up with your onboarding training videos, there are a couple of key aspects within Control Center that you'll want to take a look at and verify before you finalize your onboarding. Some of those are how your taxes and POS flags are configured, what age restrictions are required, making sure your pricing is correct and up to date, ensuring your employee permissions and employee groups are completed. Among other things, you'll want to skim through your account and global settings just to verify these configurations. While almost everything in Control Center is modular and can be updated at a later time, we recommend ensuring that you have your account configured for your specific business before your onboarding manager performs the pre-launch check. Your onboarding manager will go over all of these points with you to ensure your account is completed and no information is missing prior to your first day of business with us. If you'd like to watch any of these training videos again, they will be available to you through FTx Academy for you to review and pass on to your employees so they too can become acquainted with the software. Thanks for spending time with us. Take care.